We'll now move on to the next topic, that is means of spread of disease. How diseases spread, what are the ways and means by which diseases spread from one place to another, or from a healthy person to another, maybe infected person, or infected person to healthy person. How does exactly the process take place? You will come across these slides. First is through air. As you know, air is a potent agent to carry microorganisms. These days we are afraid of COVID-19. These days we are afraid of COVID-19 because they get spread by means of air. You must have seen many cases or heard of many cases where the person does not have travel history and still they are diagnosed with COVID-19 positive. That means the viruses have the potential of traveling through air. The air droplets, they help the virus in moving from one place to another. So the air is a very potent transporter, a very capable transporter of transporting the microorganisms. So due to this, you have diseases like common cold, you have diseases like tuberculosis, where the microorganism enters the respiratory tract. In COVID-19 also the microorganism enters into the respiratory tract via the mouth and the nose. That is why you are asked to wear a mask to cover your nose and mouth, because microorganisms have the capacity of entering your mouth as well as the nasal passage. So pneumonia is also a disease wherein microorganisms enter via air. So air, remember, air helps in spreading of disease. Next, if you see water is also a very potent transporter, potent carrier. Now how water, you must have always noticed that drinking safe water is very important. If you drink unsafe water, drink unhealthy water, you are liable or you are prone to infections. So that is why we should always consume good quality water so that we are always free from germs. Otherwise, if you don't use proper water methods or water purification methods at your home, you just drink from the tap, always you are drinking from the tap, a day will come when you will be diagnosed with maybe some disease, because all the microorganisms will go accumulate inside your body and it will give rise to a disease. So see that you always drink safe and clean water. So some of the diseases that are caused due to bad quality water or poor quality water, they are cholera and dysentery. Dysentery, as you know, you are very this is a very common disease, dysentery, and generally what happens, stomach pain along with loose motion occurs in dysentery. So those happen through intake of poor quality or unhealthy, unhygienic water. Next, microorganisms can also be transported by vectors. As you know, vectors, they are the chief carriers of diseases. So vectors like mosquitoes, vectors like houseflies, I have already told you about these things. Mosquitoes, they cause malaria, they cause dengue, they cause yellow fever, they are all caused by mosquitoes. Whereas flies cause typhoid, tuberculosis, diarrhea, dysentery, etc. They are caused by flies. So both these vectors are very dangerous, and you should not allow them to grow nearby your residence or nearby your living areas. As you know, mosquito, they generally they are found in open drains, or mosquitoes are generally found in stagnant water. What do you mean by stagnant water? A place where water is still, water is not moving. जहाँ पे पानी मूव नहीं कर रहा है, that is called as stagnant water. जैसे कि drain, जैसे कि maybe in a basket of water, बाहर रखा हुआ है basket, उसमें बारिश का पानी आ रहा है, उसमें पानी जमा हो रहा है और उसमें there will be mosquitoes on that. But नदी में there will be no mosquitoes. In the river there will be no mosquitoes. In the ocean there will be no mosquitoes. Mosquitoes find stagnant water as the best place for breeding. best place for reproduction. So we should avoid collection of stagnant water nearby your living areas. And housefly, as you know, housefly, they carry the germs from one place to another. So always you should keep the surfaces closed, eating surfaces closed. One more thing we have, that is via sexual contact. Now via sexual contact, there are diseases called as AIDS. You must have again heard about this. There is a disease called as syphilis, which may spread from one person to another by improper sexual contact. So that can happen through the via sexual contact also. Microorganisms can travel from one place to another.